Good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like to delve into an example of a homomorphism to illustrate how this concept works in group theory. Let's consider two groups: G, the group of real numbers under addition, and H, the group of positive real numbers under multiplication. So, group G is abelian with an identity element of 0, and group H is also abelian with an identity of element 1. So now that what's a homomorphism is, it is a function between two groups that preserves the group structure in simpler terms. Ah, in simpler terms, it is a map that respect the group operations. For example, here's where our homomorphism comes into play. We define a function, let's call it f, which maps a real number x to e to the power of x, where e is a Euler's number. To ensure that f is needed a homomorphism, we must verify that f of x plus y equals f of x times f of y. Remember, the group operation for G is addition, while for H, it's a multiplication. And by the definition of f, this means that we need to check if e to the power of x plus y equals e to the power of x times e to the power of y. And guess what? This holds true. It's one of the fundamental rules of exponents. So in conclusion, we've shown that f is a homomorphism between the groups G and H. This example demonstrates how homomorphism play a crucial role in preserving the algebraic structure between groups.